Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn jazz music. Start with the basics of music theory, focusing on scales and chords. Immerse yourself in jazz by actively listening to a wide range of artists and styles. This exposure will help you internalize the sound. Practice your major and minor scales in all 12 keys and begin to learn arpeggios for essential jazz chords like major 7 and dominant 7. Next, focus on developing your instrumental technique. Consistent practice of sight reading and ear training is crucial for quick learning. Start learning common jazz voicings and chord progressions, which are the building blocks of many tunes. Pay close attention to your rhythmic precision and developing an authentic swing feel. Now, dive into improvisation by studying jazz standards and their harmonic structures. Transcribing solos from your favorite jazz musicians is an excellent way to learn new ideas. Experiment with creating your own melodies over chord changes. Practice regularly with a metronome and backing tracks to develop your timing and confidence. Finally, seek opportunities to play with other musicians. Attending jam sessions is a fantastic way to gain real-world performance experience and learn from others. Record yourself playing often to objectively identify areas where you can improve. Always be open to feedback and continuously refine your approach to jazz music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.